Users need to update the latest version Huobi App. Then only can use the Huobi App to bind IP. Click on the avatar. Click to log in. Click General. Click API Management. Click Create IP. Enter a custom note. Click Trade. Open the RoyalQ app. Click API Binding. Choose Huobi Exchange. Please use the latest IP address. Click Copy IP. Paste the copied IP. Click Confirm. Get verification code. Enter verification code. Click Confirm. Copy access key and enter the access key. Copy the secret key. Enter the secret key. Send verification code. Enter the verification code. Check risk notice. Click Bind.
RoyalQ.